Hello there, good day. Welcome to EURJPY Daily Market Analysis for the 10th of April 2020. And I am Emmanuel, a market analyst here at Raleigh Academy. Sit back and enjoy the EURJPY Daily Market Analysis as we move into the MT4 chart. Now we're into the MT4 chart for EURJPY, and this is the daily time frame, which simply means each of the price bar or candlestick are representing trading activity on the market for one day. Okay, now we are looking at this because this is what the big players on the market do look at, and from what we can see, the prices are trending downward. Now the analysis we are considering is technical analysis, which is price analysis. Okay, so price analysis, and then the price is just going downward. That simply means the big players on the market which are using the daily time frame, they are looking at a downward trend. So EURJPY is still on a downward trend. Then we can now move downward towards the H4 time frame, and also consider the 1 hour time frame, which we are going to dwell on for most of this analysis. Okay, now for this downward trend here, we can see that the price pushed up to this level of dynamic resistance. It comes down to this level of dynamic support, up again. It came down to this level of dynamic support, up again. So it came down here to test this level. It could not break it. It went up again. So this is channel. This is a channel telling us that the price has been obeying it. It has been going down. Now for at this particular point here, we can see that the price came down to test it, could not go lower. It bounced off from here, and now it's going up to go and test this other level. So we are looking at the price going up to test this dynamic resistance, and if it cannot break it, then we are looking at the possible price going. So let's do this now. We are looking at the price going up to test this level, to test that level, and at that level is going to bounce off that level, and then it will now start coming down again to continue our channel. Okay, now let's go down into the H4 time frame, and this is the same thing we saw at the 1 hour, and of course the daily time frame. So this is the H4 time frame, and on this H4 time frame, we can see that the price is gradually going up, and this can be said to be a trend, a beginning of an upward trend. Yeah, but remember, on the daily time frame, the price is falling. Okay, so this is that move we saw here. This move from here that was going up. Let me draw it for you so that you see. This move we saw here that was going up. Okay, so that's the same move we are seeing right here, that is giving us a trend. You can see it bouncing off this dynamic support. Okay, then if we are to draw it complete, we're going to have something like this also. You can see it on that level also. Yeah, something like this. So we are equally on a mini upward trend inside the downward trend, which can be said to be a pullback or a retracement on the daily time frame. Now let's go further into the 1 hour chart and look for trading opportunities here. So also on this 1 hour chart, we can see that we are also riding an upward trend that has been stalled for some time. So this is the upward trend. So ideally this price is supposed to continue bouncing on this level of support, but then you can see it going sideways here. You can see it going sideways. So from here, the price has been bouncing on this level of support. Okay, that's the horizontal support. Now can see it bouncing on this level of support. It came here, it bounced off here, it went up, bounced off here. So we are still on the upward trend, but the price is temporarily stalled, or the price is gradually on a range. Okay, so if the price is on a range, what other trading decision can we take? Now we have clearly seen a double top here. We have clearly seen a double. This is a top and this is a top which forms a resistance there, the horizontal resistance there. We have clearly seen a double top, and we have also seen series of bottom here, which clearly indicates that we are on a range bound market. Okay, that's the market is on a range right now. So but please remember, we were on an upward trend before we saw this range. Okay, now the players pushing the price upward, these guys are still very much present on the market. The market only experiencing a time of profit taking, so it's trying to bounce. So we are looking at this price going up again to test this level, going up to test this level, hmm, to test this level of resistance. So we are looking at the price still going up to test this level of resistance, and of course we know that once it tests this level, it will have some challenges, because that is a resistance where the supply exceed the demand. So demand can push the price up to this level, then the supply will always exceed the demand at that resistance. So we are looking at the price coming down or sniping back into the range. Okay, so that's one of the analysis. We are looking at the price going up to test this level. Now let's but if the price is to come down towards this level of support, we're also looking at it bouncing on this level until it finally breaks this support by forming a a candlestick that opens and closes below it. Then we can now say it has broken the support. Now also, if we have a candlestick that opens and closes above this level of resistance, we can say the resistance has been broken. But if we have a candlestick that pierces through it like this, a candlestick that pierces through it has not broken it until we have a candlestick that opens and closes above the level. So this one, if we have a candlestick like this, it has not broken this resistance. But if we have a candlestick that has opened and close above the level of resistance, then we say this has broken it. Then we can now be looking forward to take our trade going upward like this, okay. So be on your chart, watch the chart. Once you see all of this happening, then you can take decision. Now let's also look at the fresh pip strategy. Yeah, also on the fresh pip strategy, we can clearly see that the price was bouncing off this dynamic support line before it got stalled, and now we have seen again, uh, double top here. We have seen the price giving us double top at this level. So that means double top, I mean the price went up to this level, it stopped and start coming down, and again went to that same level. So that is what we call double top. Okay, and we can also have triple top if this price goes up again and gets to this level. Double top, triple top, they are signs that the price is about to turn. Okay, for a double top and triple top, signs that the price is about to turn. That means if the now that we can see that the price is going up, once it gives us another triple top here, we can be looking forward to take price going downward. But right now, with the price is bouncing on this support level, you can see here we have YL, that's yesterday's lowest price. Also YH here, the yesterday's highest price. Okay, YH, yesterday's highest price. So let's zoom in a bit to see what the price is doing right now. So this is yesterday. From here to here is the activity for yesterday, and this is for today. Okay, now for today we can see the price is right now on the daily pivot. Daily pivot, and that is a level of support there. Okay, that means this price is being supported. It's being supported. Okay, so we can look forward. Now the price is trying to come down to the support. Now if this price has been bouncing on this support and could not break the support, so we can still take a buy trade on this support if finally the price did not break the support. So you can add this as one of your watch lists to check it. So if this candle close on this support and the next candle opens on the support and is bullish going upward, you can look forward to take a buy. But for now, you are not to sell because we can see that the price is on the support. When can you sell? You can only sell when this support, that is the DPV, is clearly broken. How do we say the support is clearly broken? It is not when you have a candle that pierces through it like this. No, this 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 did not break the support. You can say the support is broken when you have a candle that opens and close below the support. So this did not break the support, this has actually broken the support. So right now you can see that the candle, this candle that is bearish now, is testing the level of support, and of course testing that level of support is finding it difficult to break. So the options we have here now is, if this level is finally broken like what I've pointed here, then you can look forward to take a sell trade. So you can go ahead and have a pending order, a sell stop pending order somewhere down here. You can have a sell stop pending order somewhere down around this part, so that if it is broken, then automatically your sell trade will be triggered. But not to place the sell right here. But wait for it to break through the support before you can take the sell trade. Then what about the buy? The buy, now this candle have closed, we're having a new candle. Once this candle close as bullish, you can look forward to take a buy trade. Bullish is the black candlestick, whereas bearish is the blue candlestick. So what if this level of support is broken? Please, once you take a sell trade here, we have another level of support here. So if you take a sell trade somewhere here, you can look forward to take your profit uh, on this support, okay? Because this support will also disturb the price and stop the price from going lower. Also, if you take a buy trade at this above here, because you have seen a bullish candle that opens and closes above the DPV, so you can look forward to take your profit here. But if you're on your system and you're watching it and this level is broken, why not? You can allow the trade to go higher and higher and take more profits. So this is the EURJPY daily analysis for the 10th of April 2020. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.